Creating a unique bedroom setup with an eclectic theme is the perfect way to show off your personality at home. We started with a traditional bed with a classic look. The neutral color and padded headboard gives us the perfect anchor for the room. From there, we continue to build on the visuals of the space with lots of functional and decorative pieces. Next to the bed, we opted to use living room end tables instead of traditional nightstands to create a unique look. The open design provides lots of storage space, and they coordinate with our industrial bookshelf. We continued the modern design and wood textures with the dresser, and we added a comfy gray chair for a spot to read and relax. The Western-themed cowhide rug adds a rustic flair to the room, and the colors coordinate with the bed and bookshelf. Adding lamps and decorative pillows gives the room additional charm and helps brighten up the space. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.